Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today we're going to be curling Mongolian deep wave hair. So what you'll need to achieve the look that I'm going for is a curling wand. I am setting the wand to a temperature of 410 degrees. You'll also need a wide tooth comb. And I'm also going to be using a product that I did a review on about a month ago. It's the Straight Silk Spray, which really works good. Now with this style that I'm going for, I do have in a deep wave closure, and I also have in about 2.5 bundles. I didn't put the full 3 bundles in, but I probably will go back and add more hair, so you can definitely do that. I am offering a discount through my website on this hair as well. So if you are interested in this texture, then feel free to click the description box down below, or click the links in the description box down below, and you'll be directed to my website to look at the pricing, the textures, and different discounts and offers that are currently available on this hair texture. So what I'm doing now is I am spraying my hair with the Straight Silk Spray. I went ahead and I combed it out dry, but I would recommend, if you're following along with this tutorial, to go ahead and put product on your hair before you comb it out. So in this video, I just woke up about 20 minutes ago, so that I think that's one of the reasons why I did it backwards. It's just a habit for me to do it backwards, for me to comb it out without any product. But this hair is really nice, so you really don't need any product to comb it out. You can still comb it out without any product. I would just recommend using product to protect your investment. Not too much shedding or anything like that. So once I have the spray on the hair, I'm just going to comb it out again to make sure that the product is distributed equally throughout the hair. And now I'm going to start taking pieces and just wrapping pieces around the curling wand. Now for this look, I really enjoy the texture of the deep wave hair extensions, and so I don't want it to be super straight. I do kind of like that blow dried, kind of, I don't want to say coarse or kinky, but that blow dried, natural looking type of texture. And when I say natural looking type of texture, everyone has different hair textures, obviously, but this just gives me a feel for kind of how, blow dried hair looks, especially, hair that I have. It kind of mimics the same type of hair if I don't wet it, if I just kind of go in and start curling it. It kind of has like a blow dried effect. I do like wearing the hair extensions just because you can get the exact look that you're going for without really damaging your hair. I don't really want to apply heat to my hair every day, and I just want to make sure my hair is protected. So this gives me an option to do that. It gives me an option to really play around with different styles while protecting my hair. Now, one of the reasons why Mongolian Deep Wave is a really popular texture is because of the versatility. So you can wear Mongolian Deep Wave in its natural state just by wetting it and putting a little bit of conditioner in it, conditioner and water. You can also wear it in like a kinky straight look. I did a video on that about a month ago, along with the product review that that I did a review on. And then you can also do like, wand curls, kind of make big, fluffy curls with the extensions as well. Now, when I initially woke up, I am waking up from hair being tied in a ponytail. I don't recommend that you go to sleep with your hair just in a low ponytail without covering your hair if you are wearing deep wave hair extensions. I do recommend the pineapple method, and I do recommend that you actually protect your extensions, you protect your investment and tie it up. Just wanted to put that out there because caring for your hair extensions definitely have a part to play in the longevity of the extensions. So right now I'm just, I'm steady curling, just picking different pieces and wrapping the pieces around the curling wand. Be careful not to burn yourself. Luckily, I didn't on this video, but I definitely have before. Also, make sure to visit my website, badchickhair.com, and enroll in the mailing list. So our email newsletter, just so that you're updated whenever I offer any sales or promotions or discounts. And then also whenever I offer any new products or information pertaining to the products that I already offer. It's completely free, but it's a good way to stay updated with any discounts or any changes that are happening with badchickhair.com. So I'm guilty. A lot of times I get so, when I start curling my hair or flat ironing it, I'm kind of over the curling process. Like, kind of when I first start, I'm like, wow, like I just want it to be done. And so, when you are wanting this type of hair extension, you don't really have to make sure everything is perfect. Every curl doesn't have to be the exact same size. You just want to make sure that, it looks decent when you're done. So even if you have to go back in and curl some pieces that you may have forgot or curl some pieces that you kind of skimmed over, that's completely fine. But every time I wear Mongolian deep wave extensions, no matter in what state, I get so many compliments. When I wore it kinky straight, I got a lot of compliments on it. Of course, when I wear it in its natural state, because that's the state that a lot of people are typically used to seeing Mongolian deep wave in, the kind of like the wavy natural state of the extensions. I get a lot of compliments then. And then also after I wore my hair curled, like after, when I went out and ran errands, I got a lot of compliments on my hair as well, being wand curled. So there's so many different things that you can do. I really, really love these hair extensions. I do live in Michigan, so a lot of times I get people asking the question, hey, do you still wear deep wave in the winter? How do you do that? And the answer is yes, I do. There's different ways that you can still wear your deep wave extensions if you live in a colder state, especially during the winter. Of course, you want to make sure that your hair isn't soaking wet when you go outside because it's going to be cold. But stay tuned to this channel. Make sure that you are subscribed, and I'll be going over more tips as far as how you can wear deep wave hair extensions, no matter what the weather is. So as you can see, I'm still curling, just picking different pieces and deciding, to go ahead and wand them. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to wand curl my hair. I'll go ahead and play some music in the background, and then I'll check back in with you all in a few moments. Alrighty, so we're just about done. I'm going to go ahead and comb out the curls with my fingers. During this time, feel free just to look around the style to make sure that everything is to your liking. If you see an area where you want to add more curls, feel free to do so. It's really just about what you like, if the style is to your liking or not, because, you're going to be the one wearing the style. So I'm just kind of playing with the hair. What you can do also is apply a little bit of mousse to the top of your hair once you get done, curling it, just to give it a more finished and polished look. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm really happy with the outcome. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.